Overall, I found that the Accent is a very good car in terms of the styling, the looks, the integration of the rear boot that has been done to the Grand i10 to make it the Accent. I thought it was carried out very well. One feature which really appealed to me was the design of the rear lights. I think it looks beautiful, it looks sexy, and it looks very modern. This is the kind of a car which would target a fashion conscious person of the 21st century. This is the kind of car they would like to go out. I found the engine to be very, very smooth. Noise, vibration and harshness levels were really in check. What was also appealing was the gear pattern, the gear shift. The selector gate itself is very smooth. Slotting gears is like moving it through butter because it is so smooth, so nice that you do not dread the job of changing gears. The clutch is light in action. It is quite easy to shift gears in this car, and overall I think when it comes to bumper traffic, people would normally not have a problem driving a car which is light on the foot, light on the hand, and has excellent levels of NVH. Space inside the car in the front is very good. Of course, it's a small car, so one cannot expect that space at the back would be to the extent that it would be very spacious, but yes, it is quite good. Overall, the boot space in this case is fantastic because with 407 liters of boot space, I think the amount of luggage that you can put into this car or even a golf bag, it's amazing. I really think that in terms of space, overall space, the Accent has it really well made up in this segment. My overall impression of the vehicle is that it is a very good vehicle. The amount of features that are there in the car, I really love the keyless entry. I love the fact that it has a 1 GB hard disk built into the audio system, the Bluetooth, the automatic climate control, and the thoughtfulness of the fact that there is a rear vent, because a lot of times a lot of people are sitting on the rear vent. It could be a chauffeur driving and you are sitting at the back, or it could be other important family members. I think it is very important to have a rear AC vent in our country, which has so extremes of temperature, and that is a very good feature that has been built into the car. Besides this, I also think that it is a very good thing to have the overall build quality. The overall build quality of the insides is very good, and I think the Accent is in fact the best car that is put together in this segment.